Got you $1. We're ringing. Good morning, YouTube. If it actually worked. Did it work? Am I live? Am I live? Let's find out. Baby, if you ever wonder whatever happened way back when, would I see you again? Baby, if you ever wonder what's going on here. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm doing. Hold on. Hang tight. Content. Bang. All right, we're here. We're here. I know this might sound strange, but what's going on here? I don't know. I don't even know what I'm doing. Hold on. Hang tight. Content. Bang. All right, we're here. We're here. All right, that's better. Whoa, 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 whoa. Content. All right. I'm gonna stand up. Hold on, get my AirPods, stand up.
I don't think this AirPod worked. Or maybe it did. Let's see. Micers cannot control mic with AirPods. What the heck do you mean? Am I connected though? I am. Sweet. YouTube. Baby, if you ever wonder. I know. Voice of an angel. Okay. Hang tight. I wasn't planning on going live, and I was like, screw it. Let's just do it. Alrighty. What's going on, guys? We gonna pump or we gonna dump? What do you think? I know what I think. But what do you think? All right. We're looking good. I'm supposed to go to here. And maybe to there. And if we break there, I think we go down all the way. All the way down to here. All the way. Maybe. We'll see. What do you guys think? Tell me what you guys think. Talk to me. Ain't nobody here to talk to. All right. Do a quick top down. I'm not going to start at the weekly, though. Yeah, fuck it. Yeah, I will. I just won't get too in detail. Weekly looks like it wants lower prices. Looking at it really quick, where we are. All right. where we are. Oscillator's looking like it's not afraid to roll over. Yes, we do have some bullish divergence, but money flow is still out. And this is indeed hidden bearish divergence, right? We have lower highs in the candlesticks, higher highs on the oscillator. We still have bearish curvature on the oscillator. Money flows in the red on the oscillator. And candlesticks is in supply, which is a potential short zone. So it just makes sense for it to go down. 5 days looking the same. 4 days looking the same. 3 days looking the same. 2 days potentially looking different because of the money flow. So there's a different way to look at this, and it's definitely possible. I'm going to go back to the 5 day. Okay. Actually, no, I think the 4 day is a little better. Yeah, the 4 day. He says money flow's coming up. We don't have the bullish divergence here anymore. Excuse me. But this can just do this. And this can just, and we can have that type of curvature. That is entirely possible. And that can just make for a nice little bounce. Entirely possible. Just not sure I buy it yet. So the daily, 16, right? 16. I don't know. Look at this bearish curvature immediately in our face. Money flow's coming out. Momentum wave curvature. The VWAP's looking like it's wanting to head to the downside. Yes, the momentum wave is pointing up, but I think this. Right? 12-hour looking the same. Right? Now, on these time frames, we need to be aware of us being in demand. Right? Demand, potential, bounce. That's what it means. We are inside of our fib. But I'd like to have, let's just go on the 4-hour quick. Do we have any bullish divergence going on here? We do. We do have bullish divergence. I don't really love how it's setting up from back here. The 6-hour, yeah, I don't. But the money flow's coming out, right? Trigger wave, hidden bearish divergence, high, lower high, high, higher high. It doesn't mean everything, but you can't ignore it, right? Let's see about the 2 and 1 hour. 2 and 1 hour have the bullish divergence. Money flow came up. What about the 1 hour? Yeah, 1 hour had the divergence, right? It still has the divergence and curvature. This could be an oscillator reset for a bounce. Absolutely, right? We have hidden bullish divergence on the hourly now. The only thing I will say against it is we have, some bearish divergence here, right? Higher highs, pretty much even highs. So this is a higher time frame short zone, right? Yes, he broke bullish. Some of this is probably wrong just by looking at it, but that's okay. It may not be. Let's go to the 2 hour. Okay, this is a 2 hour bearish zone. We are structurally bearish in the 2 hour. We need to close below 96.8. Right? Is that 96? Yeah, 96.8 before we can say, oh, we're going lower. But right now, unless we get above this high, which I'll be looking up here for shorts, 80,000 to 80, between 80 and 81 grand, I'll be looking for a lower time frame flip and a short. But we got to get above this 78.5-ish, right? 78.6. We don't get above that. I mean, first and foremost, we got to get above 78.1. But if we don't get above that stuff, we should be coming back for this low at 76. We'll call it 76 even, which would make sense. Maybe get the bounce on the 786 here, right? Up, down, chop our way up, come down, take the low. Put in another jab of bullish divergence. Maybe it'll look better to me then. But right now, I'm ultimately assuming we're taking 76, just based on the way it kind of looks. No. I'm just checking. 30 minute. Okay. You see that bearish divergence now, right? Excuse me. My phone's coming out. But then, from here, we got it coming up. So, a lot of times what will happen is when it breaks, it'll retest and go. And this will start to form. So we'll see if we get the retest or not. We will see. 15 minute. I mean, you see the change here, right? Change, SFP, and the liquidity grab. Bearish divergence, right? Immediately. Nice little trigger wave. Boom, we dump. Now I say dump. I mean, this is a dump on the the 5-minute, right? SFP targets this guy. We take that. Shit, we take all the liquidity up to here. That's huge. Nope, no notification. Let's see. Why not? Yeah, it went through on the in the Discord. Mm-hmm. I know what I want to do. Yes, I mean, if we come up into here, guys, like I'm 100% looking for shorts again. This would be ideal. This would be ideal. It's going to be a quick one today, Jay. Wasn't really planning on it. Come on, damn it. Yeah, like the 1 hour looks like it wants to pump a little bit. Everything else looks like it could definitely have a bounce. It does. It absolutely does. But then these higher time frames look like it's potentially not ready for that yet. Interesting. Okay. So yeah, I don't know. Once again, if we don't get above 77,333 plus or minus whatever that is, we should be rotating back down. Let's see if we can find a scalp right here. But we got the bullish divergence. Money flows, potentially looking to move its way up. So do we have a 1 minute flip? We do. Wow. Excuse me. What a retest too. Damn. What are you on? You on vacation? Or you're saying where you live is very touristy? Let's see. Come on. Give me something. But yeah, I mean, overall, right, we're in the short zones here. That's a short zone. This is a short zone. This is, in a nutshell, a short zone. I like that better. Yeah. That's pretty much it. I'm big, guys. It's fucking boring. I don't know how people drag these out into fucking hours and hours. We SFP'd this guy. Right? And we front ran this little bit right here. This little bit of it's internal on this time frame, but let's see if we can. It's going to be the 5. We front ran this, so maybe we're going to come back for this guy. Making me lose my mind, girl. $11.18 already, huh? Man, I'm tired. Truck broke down yesterday, Jay. Not good. Not good. Fucker died on me. liquidity's there. Let's do a quick 2 hour down. Hang tight. Yeah, this actually kind of looks long. All right, this looks like it wants long. 1 hour tends to agree. The 45-minute looks like it has a little hop, skip, and a jump left in it. The 30-minute definitely looks like it has a little hop, skip, and a jump. The 24 bullish divergence. The 15 bull divs. Money flow starting to come up here on the 12 with bull divs. I don't know, it just freaking sputtered and died. Along 76.9. Daily open. This side here. Yeah, I like it. I would have rather have gotten a 2-minute flip, to be honest with you, but I have a tough time. Like, I feel like we're going to SFP this shit right here. I mean, I got to see the breaks, right? I just got to see them. Bring you back down to 1. Get at it. I'm doing what I want to do. This is also a rejection zone. My back is on fire. Killed a big snake yesterday, guys. Big snake. Picked up Hallie at the in-laws. They were going to dip their toes in the pool. My mother-in-law screamed as if there was a rabid raccoon chasing her. Like a 3.5, 4 foot long. It was a milk snake, so not venomous or nothing, but it was healthy. Definitely like the biggest one I've ever seen in person. Chopped its head off. Can't be having no snakes near my little girl, you know what I'm saying, guys? Sometimes you just gotta do it. Don't ask questions. Just do it. Does this have it? It does have the bull div. Why is mine different then? But this money flow suggests that it's not done. Oh, it's definitely been eating some freaking mice, I'll tell you. Because my mother-in-law and wife are terrified of snakes. Even my brother-in-law is terrified of snakes. I'm not going to leave it there. Then they're going to find it again when I'm not there. And then what? I said, I apologized. Told us, sorry, man. Sometimes you got to do things you don't necessarily want to do. And this is one of them. And you're on the shit end of the stick, pal. This looks like it wants to go up now, doesn't it? That's a good long, Jay. Neither, but something will eat it. They have a ton of hawks and owls over there. So I threw right where they can see it. So something will eat it. Something will get something out of it. I was like, look at this. This thing is freaking beautiful. Look at the way it was moving. Right? He was pissed too. It was snapping. My mother-in-law was like, stop talking to it. Yeah. Isn't that clear? Right? If we get up here, I'd look for a short. This is a long zone, right? If you really want to get down to the nitty gritty here, this is a long zone. Bull divs and I mean, there's reasons to take it. There's that we got the 1 minute flip, we got the 1 minute retest. That's got to be an order block down there too, isn't it? Yeah, it's 2 minute order block. You're just I don't know. Like if I were to take this trade, where the heck is it? There it is. $27%. I mean, you see how it came back, right? And then it goes. So sometimes it's just best to set it and forget it because it fucked with you a little bit for, let's see, 10, 20, for an hour it fucked with you, especially if you're watching these little time frame candles. That'll eat you up. Did we SFP this? Oh, we did. Hold on. Hold up. Wait. R&R says Brian's got to be ready to rock. See, it's not the best. It's not the worst. Not the best. Not the worst. I mean, I definitely see the long. That's for fucking sure. Oh shit! I didn't even realize it hit my. It did hit my. Oh no, maybe it didn't. No, it did not. Hold on. Oh shit! I was looking at this on my other chart. I don't know. I'm looking on the wrong screen here. Sorry, guys. You're not seeing what I'm doing. This fib pull. I mean, actually, I probably could have pulled it from this, and it did touch it if you do that, yeah. But we're going to hold it here. We're going to hold, right? Came up. I mean, we have a lot of bullish curvature. Oh, fuck. Sorry, guys. I could always put another cup of coffee on. I don't know why I haven't yet.
I'm going to stand up. Hold on. Get my AirPods. Stand up.
Hold. Right? Came up. I mean, we have a lot of bullish curvature. Oh, fuck. Sorry, guys. I could always put another cup of coffee on. I don't know why I haven't yet. Yeah. I think I am going to put a cup of coffee on. Give me 2 seconds. Where's my cup? Where's my cup? Fill it up. I got to stand up too because my back is killing me. Who else we got in here? Anybody else in here besides Jay? think I am going to put a cup of coffee on. Give me 2 seconds with my cup. Where's my cup? Fill it up. Where? Can't believe I freaking lost my coffee cup. What did I do with it? Who else we got in here? Anybody else in here besides Jay? Where the fuck is my coffee? Do some squats while you're brewing. I walked back at the wrong time. I'm going to pretend I didn't even read that. What did I do with it? Where's my coffee? Jay, how you liking that, while you're brewing? I walked back at the Klein. How you liking Klein so far? Jay, how you liking that, Klein? How you liking Klein so far? Excuse me. Yeah, you know what you could do? I don't know if it's going to play out. We got hidden bearish divergence, but we got money flow coming up. Nice bullish curvature. I'm inclined to think we're going to come up here. But with the SFP on the slow time frame of this guy, where is this guy? You know, we've swept this liquidity. We could rotate down, right? Bearish divergence coming in on the one. You know what you could do? I don't know if it's, you know, we got some hidden bearish on the 5. We got money flow coming up, but a lot of hidden bearish going on. So I'm inclined to think we're going to come up here. But with the SFP on the slow time frame of this guy, where is this guy? It's got to be you. I didn't have that problem once. What was it like when you're in bearish divergence coming in when you're inside a Clio or what? You know, we got some hidden bearish on the 5. We got money flow coming up, but a lot of hidden bearish going on. So it's got to be you. I didn't have that problem once. What was it like when you're in? But yeah, so truck died when you're inside a Clio or what? Had to get it towed. AAA ran out about 2 months ago, so that's good. That'll be what, $500-600 just for the tow, and then I'm going on a little weekend getaway with my father-in-law tomorrow. We're leaving for 2-3 days. Which we normally take my truck because you got to fit everything, which don't have that. So it's just going to be a pain in the balls now. Of course, right? AAA ran out about 2 months ago. So that's good. That'll be what, $500-600 just for the tow. And then I'm going on a little weekend getaway with my father-in-law tomorrow. We're leaving for 2-3 days. My wife and kid too, by the way, not just my father-in-law. But we haven't done anything with my father-in-law in a while. Don't have that. So we're due. Of course, right? Well, you know what? Speaking of that, I got to text my buddy. I got to see if I can go grab his we haven't done anything rod rack. In a while. So we're due. Well, you know what? Speaking of that, I got to text my buddy. I got to see if I can go grab his rod rack. Well, what am I supposed to do here? I got to text my buddy. Oh, well, let me mute myself. I gotta. What am I supposed to do here? I got a phone call quick. Oh, wait 1 second. Can you hear me now? All right. Yeah, so I did take this short, by the way. I got in, wasn't perfect, literally right here. So I entered the trade here, came up, and now it's working. So stop is above this low high. Low high. This is lower high. Oh, no, come back. Come on. Listen here, man. Oh, that's a good hot cup of coffee. Cup of coffee. So for some reason, my daughter the other day, we were driving home from downtown. We just kind of like picked her up from daycare. We just kind of went for a little drive. And she's just screaming, "Coffee! Coffee!" And I said, "Hey, it's coffee. You want got some coffee?" And I don't know why, but she found it so hysterical. She belly laughed back and forth on that for an honest 10 to 12 minutes. It was the easiest, most simple time consumer of a kid I've ever been a part of. Hmm. Like this should roll. It should roll. Where's my? There's. Let's just move stop loss to right above break even. I don't mind losing a little bit here. How's everyone else been? How's your trading been, guys? How's life? Right? Fuck trading. How's everything going? Yeah, when they just start losing their minds with that like belly laugh, it's the best. Oh, I can't wait to go fishing this weekend. Maybe we're going up. I don't know. What are you looking like? Oh, Give me that hourly on the E. That is wrong. I mean, this can come all the way up and go back down. Yeah, that looks even worse. Yeah, the USDT dominance looks like it wants to go down. It broke bearish too in a highly confluent zone. There, look. Right. Break bearish. I mean, it just makes sense. I wish this was divergence. All right, that's a nice curvature. I wish it was divergence. I mean, if you look at maybe the one. One's bullish. Yeah, I just don't like the structure here. It's hard for me to do something against the 5 minute. Even trying to catch like a lower time frame move here. Like, yeah, you go to the hourly. A nice retest for the continuation for sure. Let's just say, oh, did I fuck this up? I forget. Oh, fuck me. I feel like I fucked this up a little bit. I was fucking with it. There's the divvies, right? There's the divvies. Huh. This is so. This is all this is doing is taking the past 11 candles into account now for the average length of how this flows. That looks phenomenal. Like this looks. Let me see something. What is this? Swing free? What is this guy? Bet you these reprint. Interesting. You see this right here? Like, I want to see what these settings are. Average length is 12. Right? Average length is 12 here. This is at 11 now. I had it set to 7. This is Fu Manchu, but they were like, I think this one was set to not market safer B. I'm pretty sure it was set to 11, and I changed it to 7. Let's see something. Yeah, you see? You see this? It was set to 12. Okay, it was set to 12. And they put this on 68, which is crazy. I forget what it was. I think 60 or 61 is regular market cipher, the paid for. I don't hate these colors that they did here. They changed it up. They changed this up. Hang tight. Hang. I don't need any of this extra bullshit, man. Fuck out of here with the. This is regular bearish divergence or regular bullish divergence, hidden bullish divergence, regular bearish divergence, but bearish or bullish, whichever one. I just will. Yeah, green is bullish divergence. Okay, so. I know. Get rid of all that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Yeah, we don't need you. Money flow index. We don't plot. I don't mind the plot. I don't want the money flow. I don't need the kill. Plot background I want. Money flow bar colors. I don't need that. I can see with my own eyes. I may keep. Dude, this actually looks really nice. This looks very similar. I'm going to go long. I'm going to market smash against the greater good of my strategies. Well, it's not a strategy, but that 15-minute. Okay, so I'm long. Stop loss is here. Okay, and if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Because we got the bullish divergence. I can't help it. Because we're bearish on these higher time frames, I'm going here. Okay. It's not the best R&R, of course, but it is what it is. I like it. I don't love it, but I like it. Let me go up a little more here. Because if this hourly flips, if this was an hourly flip, we can be talking higher, guys. We could absolutely be talking higher. And if that's the case, because let's start, wait, you know what? Let's talk a little bit here. Let's talk a little bit. Let's say, well, first things first. This has got to become an area. It's easier to see that way. This is okay. That's fine. Let's go here with you. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Blue line, sorry. Right, that's so much better. See, it's important to do your top down, guys, because you may see something. You may see something here. So I'm actually going to do this. And I'm going to have TPs along the way. Do not get me wrong. Let me just set my shit up. Okay. Okay, here we are. But we're gonna have multiple TPs. Here we are. So TP1. Target 1. I'm just gonna put it below so it's easier to see. Get the fuck out of here. And then, if I find a reason to get out somewhere else, I will, but All right, golden pocket on this one. And then 786 on this one and the high. That's it. That's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do. Because if this plays out, it could be real nice. Right? I'm liking this. I'm liking this a lot. I like the reactivity of this. Save as default. Thank you much. And no, I did not just figure this out for the first time. I've played with this many, many times before. Does not mean I'm going to be right. But we just had bearish divergence with an SFP, so we could very much, I mean, the higher the 5 minute looks decent, so I'm not really too worried about it. And again, if I'm wrong, it is what it is. It's going to be what it's going to be, man. I'm just going to pull it over a little bit. This SFP can come down. What I would love, if I do get stopped out, it's fine. I would love this. And I'll look for this entry to go down. Because that was my overall consensus, but it doesn't mean it has to play out, right? Ideally, I do want this to be hit. That's why I got my TP up here, because if I get the confirmations, I'm going to full TP and I'm going to enter my short. And then I'll get in something here, target 50% here and then look for the rest to go down. Just go up a little bit. Just go up a little bit. Just go up a little bit. Oh, my back is on fire, guys. I mean, I like this SFP for a short, right? This makes me think we're going to go down now and roll over like I was assuming to start off with. Yeah, I mean, was there news today? Or tomorrow? Or yesterday? There had to be news today. What time was this? Well, we don't really have any crazy, like 8:30 bullshit, right? Would it be, unless it was like a 10 o'clock? No, it would have to be 8:30. It must not have been that important, if anything. Let's put on. Oh, my back, my neck, my back. Hell yeah, brother. Yeah, I mean, I do think I don't think I'm wrong on the long right now. I don't, but I don't know if we're going to get higher than this. If we do get up here, I don't think we're going to get higher than this. I think this is a good short zone. I know what I want to do. So this podcast popped up the other day that I was listening to, like just random stuff on YouTube, and it was like this. I don't even know because I wasn't watching it, but I'm pretty sure she used to be like a Playboy or something like that, Playboy model. And now when I look on my freaking YouTube, I got like an interview of people that I don't want on my feed. I just, you know what I mean? Like I just don't, doesn't spark my interest. Nor is it appropriate. Last thing I needed, my 2-year-old daughter to start clicking on this stuff. And yesterday it was funny as hell too. That lady cracked me up yesterday, but it was very adult tailored. I know this might sound strange, but just fucking go down or go up. I'm gonna leave it right here on the 2. I don't know her name. She'll pop back up. She had big boobs though. Yeah, I think we're good. I think we should be good. Good. Move that stop loss up. I'm going to put it right here because I think we're good. I think we're good. Move it up. Set up these TPs, shall we? Did we have that divergence here? No, we didn't, right? We had the bearish divergence. What about the hourly? Yeah, we had it in the hourly. Okay. No, we're looking good. We're looking good. TPs are set. At least 1 and 2 are set up. Yeah, that's fair. Very fair, Jay. Good observation. Holiday weekend, right? Monday's Memorial Day. So the volume could be shit right now. Absolutely. Come on up into here. I know you want it. I know you want it. Do you have the divergence? Yeah, on a 2 hour still too. Baby, but you have it. Money flow coming up, right? You have it. We have it, not you. We. When I did this, did it reset the money? I thought it was 44 that I liked. I'm supposed to be doing something right now. I forgot what the white vest. Needless to say, it's not getting done, right? Holy moly. Come on, man. Jay, pump it up, would you? The fuck? This is crazy. Tell you what, I'm good enough. We got 2 minutes and I'm good enough. Just want to go fishing. Not too much to ask. Yeah, if we do take this high, guys, over around, you can't even tell what that number is. It's so far away. 98? 98.6 maybe? Is it 98.6? Yeah. Can I make that bigger? Hey, that's too big. That's what I'm talking about. Come on. Yes, you saw that right. I do have a black and blue with a black background, so when I'm in bed at night, it's not too bright for the wife. I can take a peek and not get bitched at. Baby. That 12 money flow's coming up decent. The 10 minutes, kind of. 30-minute, I mean, this is just, we took all these lows. No, we didn't take this low. We could pop, I don't know. And this may be it for me for the day, right? Like with the volume like this, unless something gets up and it's screaming again, I think I'm done. Because I got shit to do. I'm not staring at this fucking screen. I got to figure out my truck. I doubt they even looked at it yet, so I'm going to call. And I'm going to be that squeaky wheel, right? Because squeaky wheel gets the grease. All right, Jay. I'm getting out of here. Have a good day. If I don't talk to you, have a good weekend. And we'll talk to you.